It's mid-May, it's 6 a.m. and I've woken up to the sound of rain. It's what I've been waiting for, a spring shower at long last. This is the best time to clean the Keder house in the rain, so I'm up and ready and at it. I have a selection of tools, a bristly brush which I'm using to brush off debris, a telescopic car cleaning brush courtesy of Aldi, and a window wiper. Between the three of them I can reach and clean off most of the algae and the dirt on the sides of the Keder. Once done, you can see I lift each side. As you can see, I can't quite reach the top of the Keder. And I'm inside. I've done most of the inside already, it was just this corner. I prefer not to do it when the plants are all growing, but we've not had any showers, we've not had any rain for over a month. And finally, it looks nice and clean.